by. They banish pain and sorrow, they banish pain and sorrow, when these three do combine, when these three do combine. Sweet music that will please, a charming new one sees, a cool and sparkling glass of wine. These are the three good things so fine, with which I take my ease, with which I take my ease. The first of these comes to us, the first of these comes to us, from that good instrument, from that good instrument. Whose art we now have mastered, whose art we now have mastered, and can new tunes invent, and can new tunes invent. And next a gift so rare, a maiden young